Dexta Daps lifestyle, music career, girlfriend, and net worth. Louis Grandison, born January 12, 1986, known by his stage name Dexta Daps, Dapadon or Dexta, is a Jamaican dancehall and reggae performer. Grandison's career began in 2012 with the release of his first two singles, Save Me Jah and May You Be. Though he has made many songs in between the periods, such as Grease Me Gun and Dis a Dee Bess, he really began gaining public recognition in 2014 with his songs Morning Love and Jealous Ova, the latter of which featured another upcoming dancehall artist Tifa. Dexta Daps rode this wave of popularity into 2015. With the release of Shabba Madda Pot having over 13 million views on YouTube, this song is one of Grandison's most iconic songs. He has collaborated with many dancehall artists including Cranium, Masika, Movado, and international artists like MIA, Davido, Kiesa, and Tory Lanez. Dexta Daps is praised for his versatility, unique voice, style and performances. He has an estimated net worth of $25 million. Kindly, press that like, subscribe and share button as we delve further into Dexta Daps information. Dexta Daps Personal Life. Grandison was born on January 12, 1986, and was raised in Seaview Gardens, a humble, impoverished neighborhood in Kingston, Jamaica that produced other dancehall artists including Bounty Killer and Elephant Man. This community inspired songs like Shabba Madda Pot, which Dexta describes as telling the story of the area's history. His girlfriend is called Lexi Daps.He went to Calabar High School where he played football, soccer. He was proficient enough to play inter-school competitions and even played in the Manning Cup football competition for his school. At an early age Dexta began to express his emotions through music. I would hear the melodic voices of the kids crying for help and the sadness of the people. Their voices and hunger for retribution was very inspiring for me and made me want to sing songs of happiness and joy. He looked up to several dancehall artists at the time, especially Bounty Killer, who played a part in the popularization and promoting of the artist. Music career. Dexta Daps released his first two singles, Save Me Jah and May You Be, in 2012, at the age of 26. However, he received significant public attention in 2014 with the release of Jealous Ova in collaboration with dancehall artist Tifa and international hit 7-Eleven. Many popular singles followed until the release of his debut album Intro in 2017. This album solidified Daps' persona as dancehall sex symbol as it featured a short erotic film on YouTube, which gained over 9.4 million views before it was age-restricted by the platform. He performed at the reputable Reggae Sumfest in 2017 with a performance that he considered one of his most strongly responded to. He has been subsequently invited to perform again at Reggae Sumfest in 2019 and 2022. Daps released another popular single, No Underwear, in 2019, which was more of a slower, sexual anthem. He recently released an album, Vent, in 2020, which received praise from multiple artists like Bounty Killer and Masika. Grandison has gone on to collaborate with many international artists including Louis Culture and Tory Lanez, establishing his presence on the international scene. Dexta's more popular songs follow themes of love, sex, and relationships. Songs like Owner and No Underwear are examples of his more lewd songs where Daps speaks explicitly about his experiences with multiple women. These songs influenced his image as dancehall's biggest sex symbol and have resulted in a large female following. Currently, Daps is infamous for his sexually explicit concerts where he invites female audience members on stage. While less commonly associated with his character, Dexta also often portrays a more rugged and violent gun-man persona, seen in songs like Grow Rough and Squeeze. While this theme of song has not achieved as much commercial success as others, it is still very prominent in the dancehall scene. Finally, Dexta portrays a strong sense of family and community with those in his hometown. In an interview explaining the origin of his song, Shabba Madda Pot, he explains that Shabba's, a friend living in the community, mother, Muma Christie, would regularly cook meals for the children in the community and would make sure that everyone had something to eat. He holds his community closely and is thankful for what he has learned growing up there. Daps' family side is also displayed in his public expressions of love for his mother. He has multiple songs devoted to her including Mek Mama Proud and Superhero, the latter of which contains a line saying, "Just say what you want, it reach to you." Controversies. Dexta Daps' tendency to invite women on stage at his performance has been the subject of much controversy. At one of his performances in the Cayman Islands, a woman that was invited on stage attempted to remove her underwear and place it atop the artist's head. According to one radio broadcaster, DJ Amber, Dexta should be able to recognize by now that he is being victimized by the very women he is trying to entertain. The artist, however, has ignored such opinions as these as he continues to invite women on stage during his performance. Another controversy arose on April 8, 2020, when Grandison was arrested in his hometown of Seaview Gardens for suspected gun possession and involvement in gun violence. Despite having no clear convictions, the artist's application for release was denied on April 20. "I have not done anything to be incarcerated," he pleaded. He was later released on April 30 with no formal charges being laid against him. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more exciting content for Jamaican artists.